Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Forearm Wrist Roller is probably one of the most effective and versatile pieces of equipment you can add to your home gym for building serious grip strength, forearm size, and overall upper body power, allowing you to perform better in various sports and daily activities by strengthening the muscles responsible for wrist and forearm control, making it an indispensable tool for athletes, bodybuilders, and anyone looking to enhance their physical capabilities. Number 5. DMoose Fitness Forearm and Wrist Roller. Unlock superior grip strength, wrist stability, and forearm endurance with this innovative, compact tool. It seamlessly combines two essential functions into one powerful device for your fitness journey. Experience a secure and comfortable workout with its anti-slip, textured handles, designed to stay firm even during intense sessions. Built with premium steel, it's engineered to withstand up to 240 pounds without bending or breaking. Every repetition targets your grip and forearm muscles, building functional strength without the need for bulky equipment. It's the perfect companion for athletes and anyone seeking stronger wrists and hands. Accelerate your recovery from common issues like tennis elbow and carpal tunnel with its therapeutic finger roller. This tool aids in rehabilitation and helps prevent future injuries, keeping you in the game. This versatile trainer is incredibly helpful for all, enhancing daily activities like opening jars. Whether you're a musician, golfer, or boxer, it's designed to benefit your performance and well-being. What we like. This offers a dual-function training experience, combining wrist rolling and forearm strengthening. Its anti-slip handles ensure a secure grip even during intense, sweaty workouts. If you are looking for a versatile tool that also aids in rehabilitation and injury prevention, this is a great choice. What people say. The roller is well made and sturdy, providing a good workout for forearm and wrist strength. It's easy to assemble and use, with a comfortable grip that prevents slipping during exercises. The smooth rolling action allows for controlled movements, effectively targeting different muscle groups in the forearm. Number 4. DMoose Fitness Forearm Strengthener and Wrist Roller. Unlock comprehensive arm development with this innovative tool. It seamlessly combines wrist rolling and forearm strengthening to build your grip, stability, and endurance. Experience a secure and comfortable workout thanks to its high-grade, textured rubber handles. Designed to stay firm even during intense, sweaty sessions, it's built to last with a steel rod supporting up to 240 pounds. Every movement targets your grip and forearm muscles, developing functional strength without the need for bulky equipment. It's ideal for athletes and anyone seeking stronger wrists and hands. This device aids in recovery from common issues like tennis elbow and carpal tunnel. Its therapeutic texture enhances finger dexterity and accelerates rehabilitation for healthier wrists. This versatile tool enhances daily activities, from opening jars to improving performance in sports like golf or boxing. It's designed to benefit musicians, athletes, and anyone looking to improve their hand and wrist function. What we like. This device provides a dual-function training experience, integrating wrist rolling and forearm strengthening. The anti-slip handles offer a firm grip, even during demanding, sweaty sessions. If you need a tool that supports both strength building and recovery from injuries, this is highly recommended. What people say. This forearm wrist roller is a great tool for building grip strength. The roller is made of durable material and has a comfortable grip. It's easy to use and adjust for different resistance levels. Number 3. Vikingstrength Forearm Strengthener. Elevate your arm training with this top-rated device. It's renowned as the premier forearm training equipment, celebrated for its unparalleled quality and effectiveness. Maximize muscle activation with its unique thicker grip. This design promotes a more intensive workout, targeting forearm muscles more effectively than traditional rollers. Tailor your workout intensity with ease. Its adaptable chain system fits any weight plate, offering flexibility to modify your training. Invest in a product that symbolizes innovation and high standards. Protected by a design patent, it represents a commitment to superior quality. Perfect for a wide range of athletes, this is a versatile training tool. It enhances wrist and forearm strength, plus overall arm and grip endurance. What we like. Featuring patented thicker handles, this roller maximizes muscle activation for a more intensive forearm workout. Its innovative chain system allows for customizable resistance, adapting to any weight plate for tailored intensity. If you are a serious athlete looking to push your limits and achieve peak forearm strength and endurance, this is the one for you. What people say. The roller is well constructed and feels sturdy in hand. It effectively targets forearm and wrist muscles, providing a good workout. The grip is comfortable and secure, allowing for controlled movements. Number 2. Rolflex Arm and Leg Massager Roller. Experience targeted relief for your arms and legs. This massager is designed to address common issues like golfer's elbow and tennis elbow. Find comfort from carpal tunnel discomfort. Its unique design helps to ease the strain and pressure on your wrists and hands. Loosen tight muscles throughout your arms and legs. Regular use can help improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Speed up your muscle recovery process. It promotes blood flow to aid in faster healing after workouts or strenuous activity. This roller is perfect for athletes and anyone experiencing muscle tightness. Use it on your arms, legs, and more for comprehensive care. Take a proactive approach to your muscle health. It's an essential tool for maintaining comfort and performance. What we like. This is a muscle massage roller designed to specifically target issues like golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, and carpal tunnel. It aids in faster recovery and helps alleviate muscle tightness. If you suffer from specific elbow or wrist pain and are looking for targeted relief and quicker recovery, this massager roller is an excellent option. What people say. The roller is well made and sturdy, with a comfortable grip that prevents slipping during workouts. It effectively targets forearm and wrist muscles, providing a challenging yet rewarding workout for building strength and endurance. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for home gyms or travel. Number 1. FitBeast Grip Strength Trainer 6-in-1 Kit. This comprehensive set strengthens your hands, enhances finger flexibility, and helps relieve stress. It's perfect for athletes, musicians, fitness enthusiasts, and those undergoing rehabilitation. Customize your workouts with adjustable resistance from 10 to 160 pounds. You can easily monitor your progress with the built-in force gauge, allowing for precise strength training. This versatile kit includes everything you need for muscle recovery and strength building. It supports rehabilitation and conditioning for your hands, wrists, and forearms. Designed for comfort and long-lasting use, these devices require no assembly. They are made from high-quality materials for a secure grip and smooth resistance. Lightweight and travel-friendly, this set is easy to carry wherever you go. Maintain consistent and effective grip training at home, the gym, or the office. What we like. This is a comprehensive 6-in-1 grip training set, offering adjustable resistance for a customized workout. It includes various tools for hand, wrist, and forearm conditioning, plus massage balls for recovery. If you want a complete, portable solution for grip strength training and rehabilitation that you can use anywhere, this set is perfect. What people say. The roller is well made and sturdy, with a comfortable grip that doesn't slip. It's a great tool for building forearm and wrist strength, and I've seen a noticeable improvement in my grip strength. The design is simple and effective, allowing for a full range of motion without any awkwardness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.